Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today we'll learn you how to draw a very cute cow in a very easy way. Follow my every steps and try to draw with me. Wow, cow drawing is complete. Now let's start to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. I'm using here sketch pen color. And here I'm using deep pink color. Deep pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is deep pink color. Now I'm using dark brown color. Brown color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is dark brown color. And the last color I'm using here, light pink color. Light pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is light pink color and also called baby pink color. This is really so cute color. I like this color so much. the cow is looking really so cute. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little champs.
Wow!